hello, and to begin our education on 101 ways to massively increase the value of your real estate without much money. Hi, I'm Bria, and here is the 12th way, which is replacing the spouting. Now, if you notice any bad spouting, rusty spouting, or falling off spouting, replace your spouting. Why? Because it's visible and people will notice it, whether it's your tenants, appraisers, or other persons that may be interested in looking at your property. Replacing the spouting does not cost you much, and if you change it, there is a decreased maintenance required, and it increases the value of your property. It removes the eyesore that's in your property, and now they will see a beautiful property since you replaced the spouting. I hope you learned something. Take care and God bless.